PM. Hindi pa rin tunog.
Okay, and this area is Taipei Main Station area. So Taipei Main Station is on our right side. Okay. Some people say that it just looks like Pizza Hut, but it's Chinese style building. Okay, Chinese style building. Taipei Main Station. So we are approaching to Dadaocheng. We will be there about 5 minutes. So in Taiwan, everyone know the night market and of course Old Street. Very famous for Old Street or night markets. So Dadaocheng is also the Old Street. Dadaocheng is one of the oldest and the most historical area in Taipei. It's more than 150 years ago. Dadaocheng was an important trading center. Okay, that area is an important trading center, especially for tea and camphor. And businessmen from Taiwan and foreign countries come this area for do the business. So you still can see many old Western style buildings mixed with traditional Chinese architecture along Dihua Jie. So later the driver will let us get out the bus near Dihua Jie. You can walk along. Dihua Street is an old street. And what do they sell? Well, they sell a kind of Chinese herb or dry food. So you will see a lot of dry food and also has street food. So when you go to Dadaocheng, most of the food is paid by cash. Okay, paid by cash. And we will stay there for 40 minutes. Especially the lunar years. Dadaocheng will be so crowded because we Taiwanese like to go to Dadaocheng and just buy some dry food and buy some dessert, okay, from Dadaocheng. Okay, so Chinese New Year's time, if you come to this area, so crowded. And Ximending is on our left side. Here we are. 1 minute drive. So 大稻埕 Old Street area, Dihua Street is on our left side. And the driver will let us get out the bus here.
Bababa na kami.
Across the road is China Trust. It's the bank. So across the road is our meeting point. Okay, meeting point. It's a China Trust. It's the bank. So we will meet at the China Trust Bank at 450. 450. Just across the
450.
road. I will show you the way. Okay, let's go. When we go to Old Street, please watch your purse. Okay, mind your purse.
Ano daw?
Mind your purse.
Mind my purse? Mind my purse, second, third. Charot lang.
Ito yung ano,
Init na naman. Sabi na eh. Buti na lang nagsombrelo ko. Mga turista ng Tagaytay. Turista pala ng Taiwan mula Tagaytay. Para lang yung mga nasa Binondo.
Ano ba pinabitbit ang ating bag na?
Nakaplan. Hindi, nakaplan na ko eh. Kinunik ko lang sa roaming.
Okay.
Oh, careful guys. Shong, shong, shong. Hindi na hindi. Bilhin na kayo. Di ba, bilhin na kayo. Mababasa mo ganyan. Parang ang sarap nun. Pusit. Saan? Tuwa na.
This is center. The second floor, you can take really nice pictures over there. And this is the old tree. Okay? So I see you at that place, the meeting point, okay? 450. And this is the business center. If you would like to, you can go to second floor. You can take really nice pictures there. Okay? Enjoy shopping.
Where we can buy a souvenir.
Souvenir. What kind of souvenir you want to buy?
Like a rep magnet, everything. Kitchen, ganun.
Along the old tree. This place is just more like to buy the dry fruit.
Ah,
If you want to buy magnet or souvenir, siphon, tomorrow.
Ah, okay.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Can you repeat? Ito, more on dry food. Old Street.
Shout out Diane at Punong Bayan from Taiwan. Nako, naghahanap ang mga iyan ng isoy nila.
Garilyo, harap.
Ha?
Garilyo.
Oo. Ang galing ng panutsa nila, oh. Shout out daw, Dianet. Si Dianet.
Dianet, do you sumama wanted?
May, Dianet. Shout out daw.
Antok na.
Fresh from
Antok na, antok na.
Antukan. Parang gusto ko kamo ng ano. Hindi maganda yung kain ko kanina.
Kailan ko charger. Nasira yung charger ako. Cheese job.
Bakit malang bilhin ni ano 170?
Ito yung pera nila. Look. This is 10 pesos. Baka madala niyo pa ako ng pasalubong, ha. Naku, ginto naman ang ano dito. Bilihin. Alam mo, ang pambura rito, 200 pesos. Uy, tara na. Ano, okay na? Let's go. Open. Sesame. Hindi sila, approachable.
Oo. Pag ito nag-convert na nag-convert, eh wala kang mabibili.
Is that? Saan? Ano? Ba't ba bilog? Alam mo yung seaweeds na Ano yung seaweeds na ano? Yung binabalot? How much?
Ano lang bumili sa akin?
Hanggang Mart, tanga. Hanggang Mart. Ayun sila, oh. Nakakagmemerenda.
May kwek-kwek dyan. Hanggang pauutada ako.
Naku, Dianet, napakamamahal ng ano dito, ginto.
Dianet, wala kaming pambili. Hindi
Dinala kami sa expensive na mall.
convert eh. Hindi talaga makakabili.
Hanggang tingin lang kami eh. Saan?
Sabi ko, betong tayo.
Anong taon na yan? Bata pa yan. Nasa si, ano, Pakarenday. Ano ginagawa nila? Ba't may ganyan sila?
Akala ko yung pinapaspasan na si Kuya Ruben doon.
Ah, dasal yun. Ah, wish. Tapos, how much yung wish?
Pre daw.
Ah, pre?
Parang ano lang, yung parang gusto magkababunti siya mga ganun.
Makagraduate. Hoy, ano pre daw? Tara mag-wish. Doon. Paano gagawin? Hindi ko naman alam paano sasabihin ko.
Gusto ko doon sa lantern. Doon ako magbili.
You know what is bird nest?
Burness?
Birds, slaver. The bird will go to he will use his the slaver to make his nest. Okay, that's bird nest. Actually, that's really expensive, and actually you cannot cook it. You cannot cook it, and not the price, but you do not know how to cook it. Yeah, not really matter. It's good for the skin. Yeah, there's a lot of it's full of abundant with content. Really good. That's why it's so expensive and also good for the skin. Okay. Okay, so maybe. Let's go to the visitor center. That's a nice place to go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to the visitor center. We still.
Oh, our tour guide is there. So we go there.
Let's go.
Alam mo naman. What is that?
This is Korean ginseng.
Oh.
They're selling the dry food. Dry food. Yes.
Nakadalawang po
They are
tayo.
selling the free chat. Also try the free chat.
Namin yung ganito sa akin.
Alin?
Halaman, damo.
Namanda mo ba yan? Ah, ito yung bulaklak mo.
It's kind of prune. Dry prune. It's a dry prune. Okay. 他们可以啊。
Yan ang gagawin.
Sa mga kakulay ko.
Dry fruit.
Dry mango.
Ano yung sinasabi niya? Dry fruit.
Alin?
Hindi ko naiintindihan yung sinasabi.
Oh, dry fruit.
Dry fruit pala. Hoy, this is dried mango. You can buy here. 150. This is 150 NCD.
Endorsement New Taiwan dollar.
Ay, green mango. Look, 150. How much is this? Sir, you buy? Sir Clyde? No buy? No buy. Oh, if you want gold, there's so many gold. charm. Ano yan? Hindi, may mas mura dyan. Tomorrow.
Totoo ba?
Oo nga, sabi ni ate.
Naghahanap ka naman ng ano. Sigurado meron dyan. Mas maganda dyan.
Mahal dyan. Mahal dyan, bukas nga daw.
Baka yung
You also can buy some souvenir here. Okay, souvenir here. Souvenir, yeah. Not just for the kitchen, okay, also souvenir.
Where we can buy the inhaler. Where we can buy the inhaler. The cheapest.
Night market. If
Tomorrow?
you want to buy the cheaper stuff, we don't go to night market, but Oak Street they serve the skylight and keychains. Yeah, but just the normal price. But if you want to buy the cheaper stuff, night market.
market tayo. Night market tayo ha.
Night market.
Night market. Minimum earning, something like
Bukas pa
that.
tayo sa night market.
Where is it? The night market. Sa Simandeng. Bahala ka, ambot ka imo.
You mean just you want to smell, inhale?
Yeah.
I guess like cosmetics or Watsons. You know Watsons?
Watsons?
Watsons.
Where is the
Maybe
Mr.
when we
Ho
go to
store?
Hotel, maybe. Yeah.
Mr. Ho Hotel. Mr. Ho Hotel. Store. Mr. Ho store. Ho store. The TikTok.
But this is from Thailand. This is not Taiwanese. This is from Thailand.
The hindi ko mapaliwanag kay ate. Sige, Englishin mo pa. Putang. Putang ina. Pag may Pilipino dito, putang ina. Sa tite. Ay, naka-live ako ba po?
Wait. Walang bawal. Ito.
Yeah, this is Simanding.
Mr. Ho store. Ang laki ng tinapay. Shinchongyang. Shinchongyang. Nasaan na yung dalawa? Ito. Ay, meron yan bukas. Ayun nga. Sige, hanggat hindi ako lobat, Dianet. 53 na lang ako. Ayun no, naamoy ko yun. So, bango. Parang ang susuplado nila. Ano? Na? Suplado, suplada. Parang ganun. Hindi sila yung nag-aaganto. Bilhin na kayo. Ano pong hanap?
Man naman.
Hindi sila nagaganon.
Dito na tayo sa night market. Kailan ba yun?
Aba.
Ay, papasag mo pala. Akala mo niliping plastic. Makakaibigo ka dito ng lang.
Basag yan.
Sabi din naman ilagay sa bar.
How much? Ayan o.
10 mo ang diyan.
Na, hindi. Era ang kanya. 180 NTD. Tino. Hi guys! Tingnan nyo naman, $200. Kung saan punta nyo? Wala pa naman, 435 lang. What is this? Ay, ito wooden magnet, oh.
Magkano?
60. Dapat may word na Taiwan. This one, oh. Ayan, oh. 60 NTD.
Ay, Pokemon.
No, 20.
Yung nag-give, limited.
Doon tayo yung 3 for 100.
No 20 only.
Tuloy ako.
Okay, kanina pa umano ng umano. Yes, what? How much? Look the price first before anything else.
Magkano?
Nasaan?
Wala bang 3 for 100?
Saan dito?
Hindi ko nakita yun.
Ang presyo?
Ayan, 90 oh.
Ah, ito pala magnet and 90 nga naman. Ayan. 90. Hindi yung pambahay ko, 90. Oh. Baka may mas maganda pa doon. Okay, Raja. Hindi mo na ako mamaya ako tatawag sa inyo. Pag nasa check-in na ako ng hotel. Hindi, ano yung magnet yun?
120.
Magnet din yan, yung 60.
Ito 60.
Maliit lang.
Hindi sila yung nag-aano. Ano pong inyo?
Ay, hindi naman na tayo 1917.
Ano ho inyo? Kuha na po kayo, bili na.
Ano po dyan, tatlo, isang daan. Tatlo, isang daan po. $75.
Go. Let's go.
Oy! Pwede naman tayo sa kabila, sa side na.
Bakit? Ano gagawin natin?
Si Nanay Lina, inawala na naman.
Oh, mas mahal dito kasi 200. Sa kabila 150. Ano lasa?
Ha?
Sarap.
Dito na lang tayo tumambay.
Hindi, mag-ano tayo dito.
Can I taste? Thank you. Peanut brittle? Parang peanut brittle. How much is that? How much?
$230.
NTD?
230.
$30?
Yeah, $230. Yung sa ano yan?
Bakit dollars? Ah, okay. Mahal. Ganun lang ka.
Yun yung tinatakan.
Hindi na. Okay na, ayan. Tanay, alam mo sabi sa inyo? Kakapal ng mukha nyo, tikiman kayo, hindi kayo bumili. Basta ohoy. Hoy, let's go na. Ha? Hoy, ito oh, kanina 150, ito 100 lang. 100 na lang dried mango.
Maasim to, kaya 100 na lang.
Tanga. Tagaytay, Maynila. Ako'y nauuhaw.
Kaya nga, dapat may inumin.
Sa Thailand daw yung nabibili ko sa Taiwan. Pero nga daw bukas.
Sa Siminding nga. Uy, gusto kong bumiling inumin. Sakay ba ta? Ah, sa bus? Yung tatay. Ah, inumin ang gusto ko. Ako, ay, inumin ang hinahanap ko.
Doon ako family mart. Bumalik ka.
Ah.
Coffee ka?
Nakali.